If he is sure that it is illegal, I'm here to accept to be before the justice, to be before the court. No problem.
Would you work in President Chapo's government given a chance?
Yes, if he have a genuine interest to work with me, he's got a chance to invite me to the table of the dialogue. I will give you some examples. Now, we have got something like 5,000 people arrested related with the demonstrations. In these 100 days, unconditionally, they must release that people. We have got something like 200 people that are injured, that was shooted. And I say that we must give them a medical treatment freely. We have got something like 300 people that was murdered, assassinated by the police. And I say that it's very important to give financial compensation to the families. I think this is a basic justice. If he agree, I think that he will begin to open the space, a windows to in the next days maybe to go to the table of the dialogue.
So moving forward, you're saying no more protests until the next 100 days.
There is a condition. If they respect and obey the implementation of this item that I mentioned, in next 100 days we don't have demonstration.
And you had obviously left the country because you were not feeling safe.
Yes.
And now you're back here. Does that mean you feel safe being back?
Not really, but I decide now that I'm ready to confront the justice, because they said that I commit crimes. They said that I will break this narrative. That's why I said that I will return to Mozambique. I know that my life is in danger, but I don't want to flee again. I'm here.
How was your time in exile? I mean, you were out there and a lot was happening in your country.
Yes.
What was going on in your mind?
I was crying inside. I was crying. I tried 2 times to return to Mozambique. 7th of November, I said that I want to join with a big demonstration that we planned, but many people disencouraged me to return to Mozambique. Second time I tried, but many people said, no, you are better there. Yeah, guide us abroad. But in this last time, I said that this decision I don't share with anybody, and is my final stop.